Hi everyone, this is Atanasienko speaking. I'm the founder of Nasio Themes, and today I'm going to show you how to customize Newspiper theme. Newspiper has everything you need to set up news or blog website. For this you need to access the theme options, and you do this by clicking on the Customize button in the top bar. From there, you can use these pointers to easily find the content and edit it. For example, we can change the site title text or the description. We can also upload a logo, and I've already prepared an image which we can use, but you can use whatever you want that matches your style. We also have the option to upload a light logo, and it will be displayed in the dark theme mode. So when we upload the light version of the logo and we change the theme mode to dark, we'll see the light version instead. We also have the option to change the logo width, something bigger. We can show or hide the site title and tagline, and upload site icon. So now let's go to the header option settings. Header options consist of promo banner, top bar, and site header. Promo banner lets you display content to engage with your audience. For example, let's say we want to change this to some custom text. We can also change the position of the text. For example, let's center it. And we can also add colors to it, but I'll show you that in a minute. We also have top bar, which is disabled by default, but we can enable it, and it will display social icons, email icons, phone number, and even a secondary menu. Let's add here to a YouTube icon. And it appears in the top bar. To refer to the list of social icons that you can pick, you can check this list here. The site header is also extremely functional because it lets you change the position of the title, position of the header. It lets you pick transparent header and also some other cool set of options. Let me show you how to change the header preset. You can pick right site title and logo, and it will appear on the right hand side. You can also pick centered site title and logo, which will be useful if you want your logo to stand out. And the default is left site title and logo. The header position is sticky by default, but you can change it to normal. And if you decide, you can enable transparent header for that page. In the Pro version of the theme, you can add any page you want, and it will have transparent header. When we're happy with the changes, we can click Publish. There are also other options, but I'll let you play with them. And now let's quickly go to the other sections. The header image is also important part of your website, and it includes a set of nice options. We can increase the height of the image easily, change background position, add the parallax effect, enable gradient, and edit title, description, and button. All of this you do very easily without touching any code. For example, if you want to remove this button, we remove the text and the link. We also have different set of button animation which we can use. For example, the sliding. When you hover over the button, it creates a nice sliding effect. If you feel like you don't want to have such a big header image, you can hide it, and that's totally fine. Now let's go to the colors option. You can change primary accent color. You can change secondary accent color, which corresponds for the buttons. You can change the headings text color. Let's make them, for example, also green. And pretty much everything. We have extensive list of colors which we can change, but colors that you pick in the Gutenberg editor have higher priority. Also, this banner, we can add some nice background color to make it stand out more. And we can also control the text color of it. In this way, we can create pretty much all kinds of designs that match our vision and styles. If we want to revert, it's very easy. We just close this without saving, or we click here the default. When we're happy with the changes, we click publish. Another important section is these featured categories here, and in a minute I'll show you how to customize them. If you don't know where to click, just click here and it will bring you to the homepage settings and the post and the categories section. We can remove this section if we don't want to have it. That's totally fine. Or if we decide to keep it, it would be better to add some images here instead of these placeholders. So let's call it featured. Put a space here and upload some images. I've already prepared some images, but you can add whatever you want as long as it matches your styles. This is a list of categories which gets populated from the post categories you've created. So make sure you have some categories first for this to work. And as you can see, really quickly, we get to have some really nice design. And once again, when we're happy with the changes, we click publish. As you can see, this theme is extremely customizable and easy to change. In the homepage settings, we also have You Missed section. located here, and by default it displays latest posts. But with the Pro version of the theme, you can actually change what is being displayed here, and for example you can pick a featured category which you have prepared before, and you can pick a custom set of posts which will appear here. Also, you can remove this section if you don't like it. That's totally up to you. And all of this you do it without writing any code. And now I want to show you the blog settings of this theme. When we click on the blog page, we go to the lists of posts. And we have a rich set of options here. We can choose to show or hide post categories, or add or remove some post meta before and after the post content. For example, let's add here post likes. And also let's remove the 3 minutes read from here. That's very easy. You just click here and disable it. We can also arrange the order of this. For example, we want to have the post author first, and we just drag and drop, and that's it. We also have the option to have 2-column layout for the post archives, or even 3 and 4 columns. But for that, I would recommend to remove this sidebar. And this you can do in the sidebar layout section. You can control the post excerpt length. Let's say it's 35 instead of 15. And also you can create a masonry, a mosaic-like effect, instead of having these equal posts. For the single posts, you have a few extra nice options here. One of it is the social share icons, which are extremely handy because it lets your visitors share easily content in the social media. Toggling this on and off will show it or hide this section. And we also have related posts section, which you can also toggle on or off, which displays posts from the same category. Finally, I want to show you the footer options. You can change the background color of the footer. Let's say something lighter. And the text color to be more visible. You also have social icons, which you can choose from in the same way like we do it in the header. And last but not least, you have the option to add a copyright notice for your own company. As you can see, it appears here. And that will be all for today. Thank you very much for watching, and good luck with your next project. Bye.